Let's talk about the curve for a second. Hopefully it's not too windy. Even at sea level, as you can see, I'm maybe, I don't know, 6-7 feet above sea level. I mean, you can see curve. So I wonder what, like, the explanation is. Perspective. You know, I don't even know. But I mean, you can screenshot any of this if I hold it still. You can screenshot that, put it in a program, snap a X line or whatever, a parallel line, or I'm sorry, a horizontal line, and you know, there will definitely be curve there. So I just wonder, you know, how flat earthers, so to speak, and I don't say that disparagingly, I'm just saying how they explain that, and I would legitimately like to hear an explanation. I mean, I'm not, you know, just asking questions, that's all. But anyway, let me know in the comments or whatever what you think. Thanks.